English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is all about adventure on the open road.
Yes, today we're talking about road trips.
There's something special about packing up the car and hitting the road.
The freedom, the music, the unexpected stops.
Questions like,
Have you ever been on a road trip?
where did you go?
How long did it take?
What was the best part?
After today, you'll be able to share your road trip stories.
Let's start with the most basic question.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
You can answer, yes, I went on a road trip across the United States. We drove from New York to California.
I've done a few road trips, but nothing too long.
Not yet, but it's on my bucket list.
Repeat. Yes, I went on a road trip across the United States. We drove from New York to California. I've done a few road trips, but nothing too long. Not yet, but it's on my bucket list.
Now let's have a conversation about a road trip.
Emma, have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I drove along the California coast a few years ago. It was incredible.
Oh, the Pacific Coast Highway. I've heard it's beautiful.
It is. Ocean on one side, cliffs on the other. Amazing views the whole way.
How long did it take?
About a week. We stopped in lots of small towns along the way. Great start. Now let's talk about planning a road trip.
Planning is part of the fun.
We planned the route carefully.
We just decided to go and figured it out along the way.
We booked hotels in advance.
We camped most nights.
We made a playlist for the drive.
Repeat. We planned the route carefully. We just decided to go and figured it out along the way. We booked hotels in advance. We camped most nights. We made a playlist for the drive.
You can ask,
Did you plan everything in advance?
where did you stay?
How did you decide on the route?
Did you have a playlist?
Repeat. Did you plan everything in advance? Where did you stay? How did you decide on the route? Did you have a playlist?
Let's talk about planning.
Daniel, when you did your road trip, did you plan everything?
We had a rough route, but we left room for spontaneity.
That's the best way. Any favorite unplanned stops?
Yes, we found this tiny diner in the middle of nowhere that had the best pie.
Those are the best memories.
Spontaneous stops are often the highlight. Now, let's talk about the best parts of a road trip.
Everyone has favorite moments.
The best part was the scenery.
I loved all the random roadside attractions.
The feeling of freedom was incredible.
Getting to spend so much time with my friends.
The food we discovered along the way.
Repeat. The best part was the scenery. I loved all the random roadside attractions. The feeling of freedom was incredible. Getting to spend so much time with my friends. The food we discovered along the way.
Let's share favorite parts.
Emma, what was the best part of your California road trip?
Definitely the views. Driving along Big Sur with the ocean right there, I'll never forget it.
That sounds magical. Did you stop anywhere special?
Yes, we stopped at a little beach and watched the sunset. Perfect moment.
Those moments stay with you.
Now, let's talk about challenges on a road trip.
Not everything goes perfectly.
We got lost a few times.
The car broke down in the middle of nowhere.
We had some arguments about directions.
Finding a place to stay was hard during peak season.
We got really tired of driving some days.
Repeat. We got lost a few times. The car broke down in the middle of nowhere. We had some arguments about directions. Finding a place to stay was hard during peak season. We got really tired of driving some days.
But even challenges make good stories.
Looking back, it's funny now.
It was stressful, but we figured it out.
Those moments became some of our best memories. Looking back, it's funny now.
It was stressful, but we figured it out.
Those moments became some of our best memories.
Let's talk about challenges.
Daniel, did you have any problems on your road trip?
We got a flat tire in Arizona. in the heat. Not fun.
Oh no, what did you do?
We waited for help for 2 hours, but a kind local stopped and helped us change it.
That's so nice. Those are the moments you remember.
Kind strangers make all the difference. Now, let's talk about road trip music and podcasts.
Music is essential for a road trip.
We had a shared playlist everyone contributed to.
We listened to audiobooks for a part of the drive.
We took turns being the DJ.
We listened to podcasts when we got tired of music.
We sang along to old songs at the top of our lungs.
We listened to audiobooks for part of the drive. We took turns being the DJ. We listened to podcasts when we got tired of music. We sang along to old songs at the top of our lungs.
Now, let's talk about road trip entertainment.
Emma, what did you listen to on your trip?
A mix of everything. We each added our favorite songs to a playlist.
Any musical arguments?
A few, but we had a rule. Everyone gets to choose 3 songs in a row.
Fair system.
Compromise is key. Now, let's talk about road trip food.
Food on a road trip is its own adventure.
We packed snacks for the car.
We stopped at local diners and cafes.
We tried regional specialties.
We had picnics at rest stops.
We ate way too much fast food.
We packed snacks for the car. We stopped at local diners and cafes. We tried regional specialties. We had picnics at rest stops. We ate way too much fast food.
You can ask,
Where did you eat?
did you try any local foods?
What snacks did you bring?
Best meal on the road?
What snacks did you bring? Best meal on the road?
Now, let's talk about road trip food.
Daniel, what was the best thing you ate on your trip?
Barbecue in Texas. Unbelievable.
Texas barbecue is famous. Did you plan that stop?
Absolutely. We mapped our route around famous barbecue joints.
That's dedication.
Food destinations are valid reasons to travel. Now, let's talk about road trip companions.
Who you travel with matters a lot.
I went with my best friend.
It was a family road trip. Parents, kids, everyone.
I did a solo road trip.
We went with another couple.
It was a group of friends from college.
I went with my best friend. It was a family road trip. Parents, kids, everyone. I did a solo road trip. We went with another couple. It was a group of friends from college.
You can describe the dynamic.
We got along great.
There were a few tense moments, but overall it was fun.
Traveling solo was exactly what I needed.
Traveling with family is always an adventure.
Traveling with family is always an adventure.
Now, let's talk about travel companions.
Emma, who did you go on your road trip with?
My cousin. We're close and we travel well together.
That's important. Did you have any arguments?
A few about music and where to stop, but nothing serious.
That's normal. It's a long time in a small space.
True. Now, let's talk about scenery and sights.
Road trips are about the journey, not just the destination.
We saw mountains, deserts, and oceans.
We stopped at all the viewpoints.
The changing landscapes were incredible.
We drove through national parks.
Sunrises and sunsets on the road are special.
We stopped at all the viewpoints. The changing landscapes were incredible. We drove through national parks. Sunrises and sunsets on the road are special.
What was the most beautiful part? Did you stop at any national parks?
Best view of the trip.
What was the most beautiful part? Did you stop at any national parks?
Best view of the trip.
Let's talk about scenery.
Daniel, what was the most beautiful part of your road trip?
Driving through Utah, the red rocks and sandstone formations are like another planet.
I've seen pictures. It looks incredible.
Pictures don't do it justice. You have to see it in person. Some things you just have to experience. Now, let's learn some important road trip vocabulary.
Road trip. Drive. Journey. Route. Highway. Freeway. Intrastate. Backroads. Scenic route. Detour. Rest stop. Gas station. Fuel up. Flat tire. Breakdown. Tow truck. Map. GPS. directions, lost, milestone, mile marker, road sign, exit, on-ramp, off-ramp, toll road, toll booth, passenger, driver, shotgun, back seat, cooler, snacks, playlist, road trip games, roadside attraction, viewpoint, lookout, national park, state park, campground, motel, hotel, diner, drive-in, fast food, local cuisine, souvenir, postcard, photo stop, selfie, sunset, sunrise, mileage, odometer, road weary, adventure, memories.
Repeat. Road trip, route, highway, scenic route, detour, rest stop, gas station, flat tire, GPS, lost, passenger, driver, shotgun, snacks, playlist, road trip games, roadside attraction, viewpoint, national park, motel, diner, souvenir, adventure, memories.
Great vocabulary.
These words will help you share any road trip story. Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. We go on road trip last summer.
Wrong tense and missing article.
Correct. We went on a road trip last summer.
Mistake number 2. The drive was very fun.
Fun is correct, but some learners say funny.
Funny means makes you laugh. Fun means enjoyable. Mistake number 3. We drive for 5 hours.
This is present tense. For past, use drove.
Correct. We drove for 5 hours. Mistake number 4. I am shotgun.
Correct. I call shotgun when claiming the front passenger seat.
Or, I'm sitting in the front.
Let's practice. We went on a road trip last summer. The drive was so much fun. We drove for 8 hours straight. I call shotgun.
Perfect. Now, here are some idioms about road trips and travel.
To hit the road.
This means to start a journey.
Example, we parked the car and hit the road at dawn.
To go the extra mile.
This means to do more than expected.
Example, our GPS went the extra mile and found us a scenic route.
To take the scenic route.
This means to take a longer, more beautiful way.
Example, we took the scenic route along the coast.
To be in the driver's seat.
This means to be in control.
Example, I let my friend navigate, but I was in the driver's seat.
To have a flat tire.
This literally means a flat tire, but can also mean to lose energy or momentum.
Example, after 6 hours, our energy had a flat tire.
Repeat. Hit the road. Go the extra mile. Take the scenic route. In the driver's seat. Have a flat tire.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned how to talk about road trips we've taken.
I went on a road trip across the country.
We learned about planning.
We had a rough route, but left room for spontaneity.
We talked about the best parts.
The scenery was incredible.
We talked about challenges.
We got a flat tire in the middle of nowhere.
We talked about music and entertainment.
We had a shared playlist.
We talked about food.
We tried regional specialties.
We talked about travel companions.
I went with my cousin.
We talked about scenery.
We drove through national parks.
We learned important road trip vocabulary.
And we fixed some common mistakes.
That's everything you need for talking about road trips.
Here's your challenge for today.
Think about a road trip you've taken or would like to take.
Describe it in 3 sentences.
I went on a road trip along the California coast. The views were amazing and we stopped at lots of cute towns. The best part was watching the sunset on the beach.
Perfect.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about a road trip you've taken. Where did you go? What was the best part?
For example, I did a road trip through Scottish Highlands. The landscapes were breathtaking.
Scotland is so beautiful. Or, my family took a road trip to the Grand Canyon. It was even more amazing than the pictures.
The Grand Canyon is incredible.
Share your road trip stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.